सर्वाशनविधि प्राणविदो नुज्ञाप्रवापदी विदो नुज्ञाप्रवापदी अपूर्वत्वेन सर्वान् भुक्तिर्धातुर्विधीयते स्वाद्यन्न भोजनाशक्तेः शास्त्राच्च भोज्यवारणम् आपदि प्राणरक्षार्थम् एवानुज्ञायतेऽखिलम्
प्राणविदः सर्वाशनविधिः भवति अथवा आपदि अनुज्ञा भवति अगेन भवति अपूर्वत्वेन ध्यातुः सर्वान् भुक्तिः विधीयते प्राणविदः means for pranopasaka, one who does upasana of prana. Sarvasana vidhi bhavati. Doubt. Is there a vidhi that he can eat anything and everything? Means even abhaksha he can eat. So, athava or apadi anudnya. No sir. Only in the case of emergency, abhaksha permission is given. Because he is starving, and if he doesn't eat any further, he is going to die. Permission is given. So, abhaksha is what is there. So, is it that way? Is it a permission in the case of emergency where the person is going to die for want of food? So, is it that way? Purapaksha says, so, apurvatvena, he has kept apurvatva safely. See, two instances were there. Apurvatvena. So therefore is there. Because see, this vidhi is not found anywhere at all. And therefore, even though it is Vartamana Apadesha, Vartamana Prayoga, you have to take it as vidhi. So that is it. So, Apurvatvena Dhyatuhu Sarvana Bhukti Vidhiyate. Dhyatu means Pranopasakasya. For the Pranopasaka, Sarvana Vidhi. Yes, Sarvana Bhukti. Bhukti, eating. Eating of all means including Abhaksha, Anna, Bhukti, Vidhiyate, is enjoyed. Siddhanta now. Shvadyanna Bhojana Shaktehe Shastrachya Abhoja Varanam. Alternate is there, Varanat also is there. Abhoja Varanam or Abhoja Varanat. Varanat seems to be better. Apadi Prana Rakshartham Eva Akhilam Anujnayate. Apadi Prana Rakshartham Eva Akhilam Anujnayate. Now, Sarvana Bhakshana means, see, Prana, for Prana, everything is Anna. Do you know why? All living beings digest on account of Prana only. And their food is the Prana listing. That doesn't mean who Pranopasaka can eat the food of all, including dogs and pigs. Can a human being, Pranopasaka is a human being or someone? So he is a human being. Being a human being, can he eat the food of the, is it ever possible to eat the food? Dog eats even the vomiting. So, and pig don't ask. So, can it eat? Impossible. It is impossible. So therefore, Shvadi, dogs, etc., dogs, pigs, etc., Anna Bhojana Shakti. A Pranopasaka can never eat the food of dogs, pigs, etc. Shastracha again. Shastracha abhojanya varana. Shastra prohibits abhaksha anna. Prohibited foods are there. So as per varnashrama dharma, there are prohibited foods are there. So therefore, Shastra says, then आपदी प्राणरक्षणार्थम एव अखिलम अनुज्ञायते. Abhaksha anna is permitted only in emergency if the person is going to die for want of food. Even there is one restriction: he should not take liquor. So if you die, better die, but don't. No, if I don't take, I will die. Better die, but don't take wine. Even that restriction is there. Except wine, any abhaksha is permitted for a person who is on the point of death for want of food. So it is a apatkalina, the sankatakalina dharma, a permission is given. Abhoja varanam, alternate is there, varana also is there. Abhoja varanam or abhoja varana. Varana seems to be better. Apadi pranarakshartham eva akhilam anujnayate. Apadi pranarakshartham eva akhilam anujnayate. Now, sarvana bhakshanam means, see, prana, for prana, everything is anna. Do you know why? All living being digest on account of prana only, and their food is the prana thing. That doesn't mean pranopasaka can eat the food of all, including dogs and pigs. Can a human being, pranopasaka is a human being or someone else? So he is a human being. Being a human being, can he eat the food of is it ever possible to eat the food? Dog eats even the vomiting. And pig don't ask at all. So, can it eat? Impossible. It is impossible. So therefore, Shmadi, dogs, etc., dogs, pigs, etc., Anna Bhojana Shakti, a pranopasaka can never eat the food of dogs, pigs, etc. Again, Shastracha abhojanya varana. Shastra prohibits abhaksha anna. Prohibited foods are there. So as per varnashrama dharma, there are prohibited foods are there. So therefore, Shastra says, then apadi pranarakshanartham eva akhilam anujnayate. Abhaksha anna is permitted only in emergency if the person is going to die for want of food. Even there is one restriction: he should not take liquor. So if you die, better die, but don't. No, if I don't take, I will die. Better die, but don't take wine. Even that restriction is there. Except wine, any abhaksha is permitted for a person who is on the point of death for want of food. So it is a apatkalina, the sankatakalina dharma, a permission is given. Sarvananumatischa pranatyaye taddarshana. एक न्याय निर्णय यज्ञादीनां शमादीनां च विद्या सन्निहितानां यज्ञ आदि विविदिशा सेंटेंस शांतोदांत शमदमादि इन दिस सेंटेंस. सो तत्शेषता उक्ता. तत्शेषता मीन्स विद्या शेषता उक्ता इन अंग फॉर विद्या. तो तत्प्रसंगा बिकॉज ऑफ दैट कॉन्टेक्स्ट विद्या सन्निधि उक्त सर्वान् अभ्युज्ञानस्य विद्या सन्निधौ उक्त सर्वान् अनुज्ञान consent for eating all food told in the proximity of pranopasana. Because there is a permission given. Abhaksha also can be taken as a. There is no anna for ananna, abhaksha is not there for prana. So pranopasana also can be. So that is what it says. Vidya sannidhyukta, vidya sannidhau ukta, sarvana abhyanudjnana, consent for eating all the food. So vidya sheshatam ashankya can be a anga of what? Vidya. So pratyaha refutes sarvana etc. Take anvaya. Pranate cha sarvananumatihi taddarshana. Pranate cha prana nigamana kale. This person for want of food is about to die. So sarvananumatihi, that's true, that Shruti Vakya will say, a consent to eat. Sarvana means even abhaksha anna can be eaten. Itihi. So, and there also suravarja sakalanasya bhakshana. Suravarja sakalanasya bhakshananujna. A permission to eat anything except wine. Except wine. Kutaha, how will you say so? Taddarshana. There is evidence, there is a proof to this effect that Ushasti Chakrayana, a great rishi, who was on the point of dying because for want of food he ate abhaksha. At the same time, he refused the water. Uchishta means already eaten. Uchishta, black grams or some gruel or something, he ate. He accepted and eating. At the same time, water is given. He said, no, I can get plenty of water anywhere, but I can't get the food. Not only that, he kept it for next day. Stale. Double uchishta. Earlier it was eaten by someone. Now he has eaten it, and double uchishta, next day is stale, he ate it, because he had to go to some king for yajna. And he could have, he was about to get a dakshina, because he was eligible with Ritvik for that, etc. But he had no strength to go. So therefore he spared some, that food, next day ate, and in fact the wife objected. So then his wife was, because she knows dharmacharana. How are you doing this? So then this is permitted, and then he went to this and earned the money. So therefore it says, so that being the case, so the Taddarshana, the Shruti is to this effect that is an instance where a great rishi ate during this, etc., and justified also as caption, Purapaksha. Sarvana Bhakshana is enjoined for Pranopasaka. Next page, line 5. Badheta iti. Purapaksha, Sarvana Bhakshana is enjoined for Pranopasaka. Line 5. Badheta iti. Nyananaya, line 4. Tasya arthavadatve hetvantaram aha. Tasya arthavadatve means what? Abhaksha, Anna Bhakshana is Arthavada, for which another reason is given. Abhadachya. So only because of this, Bhaksha Shastra doesn't get negated. Well, this is the exception as such. So therefore, Abhadachya means Bhaksha Vibhaga Shastra se Abhadachya api. This Nahava Evam Vidhi etc. Anannam Na Bhavati Abhaksha is not there. This doesn't refute the general rule that this is Bhakshyana, this is Abhakshyana, so Abhadat iti. Take caption. Prayojana, utility of Sarvana Bhakshana as Arthavada. Sutra 29 and Prayojana, utility of Sarvana Bhakshana as Arthavada, Sutra 29 and. Nyanirnaya continued, Apada avasthayam avaksha bhakshananudhyane smritim samvadayati. In the case of pranatyaya, when for want of food the life is going to ebb away, so in such condition abhaksha anna is permitted. To this smriti is given for corroboration, is being given for corroboration. Apicha smaryate, apicha, and also apatkale, in the case of emergency, for want of food the person is dying, whether he is pranopasaka or not. So what is that? It says abhakshanna is permitted, sarvana bhakshana is permitted. Abhakshanna means which the man can eat, not anything else. Even that which a man can eat. So that is that, though it is abhaksha, there are something which a man cannot eat at all, and that you can't take into account also. So which is prohibited by the Shastra, that is abhaksha. So abhaksha vibhavishaha says, sarvanabhashana smaryate. When smaryate means smritav uchyate. What are the smriti you see in the bhashya? Take caption. Smriti to prove the avoiding of the eating of abhakshanna. Smriti to prove avoiding eating of ananna. Ananna means abhakshan. Say, when smriti permits in emergency eating of abhaksha, what does it mean? So rule is, if no emergency, one should not eat the abhaksha. Surapaha abhaksha bhakshanat krimayaha bhavanti. Anvaya. Surapaha abhaksha bhakshanat krimayaha bhavanti. Surapas become what? Krimis on account of abhaksha bhakshana. Iti cha smaryate varjanam anannasya. Anannasya varna. Anannasya means abhaksha annasya. Varjanam smaryate is what Smriti also says. How come Smriti says Smriti has got the support of Shruti? What is the Shruti, Mula Shruti for this Smriti that is being given? So that is the Smriti, line 3 from bottom, Smriti pramanyartham tam Mula Shrutim aha shabdascha iti. To show that Smriti is based on valid pramana, the Mula Shruti is being shown. Shabdascha ataha akamakari akamakari cha. Akamakari means na kamakari, means what? Svechakruta pravritti nirase. To prohibit the conduct of eating anything according to one's will. Svechakruta pravritti nirase cha eva. For that very purpose, shabdaha, so that is Shruti is there. So what is the Shruti? See in the from Katha. It is from not Kathopanishad, Kathaka Samhita. It is from Kathaka Samhita, we see. So ataha, because such Shruti also is there, pranavid. So you should not. The pranavidaha sarvananna bhakshanam is what? Arthavada matra. It is only arthavada in the case of who? The pranas upasaka. Take the caption. There is Shruti to prohibit svechacharana of eating any food. Svechacharana abhaksha anna. Sutra end.